start combining the oats. I'm hoping that we're going to get 20 tonne off this 70 acres. Let's see how we progress. Yep, there we go. Just going to do the tram line first and then take the outside of the field later, just to let the damp come off. As you can see around the trees, be a bit wetter than the rest of the field. There's the first load of oats being unloaded into the trailer on the move. Oats variety of Canyon spring oats. They grow really well on poor land. Now this is only his second time round and we've got 7 tonne off this load, so looking like it's going to be a very good yield. On approximately 3.1 mile an hour. It's 25-foot cut header. We should have this field wrapped up in about another hour. Yeah, field of oats took an hour. We're now in our second field, stackyard, the proper skyfall wheat. I think this is going to take a couple of hours. A bit more than 11 acres, heavier crop. So we'll just see how we get on. Off he goes. Yeah, progressing well now. It's cut straight through the middle of the field. Just wandered on. But it turns out we're cutting it's taking on board about a tonne a minute. First load was 11.48 and the next load was 12.04. It's putting in moisture levels 15.8%. So that's about as dry as we're going to get it. So looks as though we're going to have a good day. Well, as you can see, that's low pink and all bottom fields cleared, and we've started in the middle one now. Currently moisture 13.8%, so all very good. Yeah. Well, we're going up a very steep part now, up North John Monstone Road. Keep on beside him. This is the steepest part of the farm. The next traffic route, I'm going to put it in 4-wheel drive, the safe side, and we'll go. As I thought, it's like to go, but he's not wanting to offload. See with the combines, just slithering to one side there a bit, but he's got it. Full control. Yep. Well, what a view. Slide off in the background. So we're going to offload now. All that wheat. Keep synchronised with the combine. in the grain store. We're just pushing the grain up. Good. We need to get about 300 tonne in here. I think there's about 100 tonne so far. So we'll just keep going. Yeah, just finishing the other side of Pinkenhall. It's 3 o'clock, so we've cut 7 acres of oats, 10 acres of lower Pinkenhall and 17 acres of upper Pinkenhall. And John's just taken the last sweep in this field. Then we'll be dropping the header off and going into the next field. So progress is really good. Just go and get this grain now and then start moving them into the next field. So there's the last of the grain from this field going into the trailer before we actually do the switch over into the next field. You see the fields in the distance behind the combine. Hopefully we'll be over there and get complete tonight. We're just starting up another field of Skyfall. That was a quick headed change. This is Pinnock Hill, far end, highest field on the farm. And we'll just see what it does. Looking dry, looking good, plenty of dust coming from the combine. So, yep, see how it goes. So that's Pinnock Hill finished. We're just starting out now around High Boathouse. This is clear wheat, goes for feed. We should be able to push on and get this done in 2 hours. Hopefully go into the next field, just to the right of the combine. It's pushing on well in here. This is the first time round, it's gone round once. It's dusty. Tried to drizzle earlier but the wind's picked up, so everything's nice and dry. It's the first load coming off. It's looking good. Plenty of it, only once round, full tank. Should be a full 7 tonne in there. This field was the first sown, so well ahead of all the other crops. We'll just have to see how it yields. It's looking a bit dull out there, but just have to see. Keep an eye on the weather. The grain's still coming off at 14%, so pleased with that. Right, that's finished. Back the grain. So we'll finish with the field. We're now in High Pinkenhall. You just see the sun setting behind the combine, so it's going to be dark soon. The first picture you'll see is me this morning with the sun rising. So interesting one, sunrise to sunset. I think we'll probably work into the night once the sun's gone down, just to make sure we get everything in nice and dry. There we go, opening this field up. There we go. There's a combine in the distance there, coming down. Lights have just come on, so maybe want to empty on this next run. As you can see, the sun's gone down now, it's gone behind those trees over there, so it's going to get dark. Yeah. Well, progressing quite well. Combine's got his lights on now. The grain surprisingly still only 14.1%. That's 1% below what it needs to be for storage, so it's fantastic. Yeah, here he comes. See which way he goes with the combine. I need to follow him round. And there he goes. Now with work lights, busy unloading. See, just the same as during the day, but with lights on. Well, here we are down in Low Boat House. It's 9:30. The combine's just putting the header on. Battery's getting low on my phone, so you've seen it working. I'll catch up in a bit. Yeah, rained off. I think it'll probably blow out tonight, but that's it. On our way home. Been a long day. Well, back again. Yeah, this is our last field. This is Ryish, Skyfall. We're all a bit tired this morning, late night last night, but hopefully we'll be complete in the next hour or so. So hopefully done by lunchtime. That's a wheat harvest over, and then just the beans to put during next week or the week after.